Here I am going to show how to design a class diagram. Software which is used for drawing is StarUML, an open source software exclusively for UML designing. Now let's open StarUML, select default approach because it covers everything we need to work on. On the right hand side is Model Explorer panel. Click on the main of the design model. To begin, here we'll take an example of online library domain model. Now on the left hand side we can see a class design tool. Now select class. First we need a class named book. We have got 3 buttons. The first button is for the visibility of the class. We get public, protected, private, package, and the second button for adding attributes, and the third one for adding operations. Now we'll add some attributes to the class book. Now on the right hand side you can see a properties box for the class diagram. Below that we can see the detail box. Here we can not only view the properties but we can also change them. Now let's add another class named author, and we'll add 2 attributes, name and biography. Let's add another class named book item in order to collect book information and then serving online library. We'll add 2 attributes, barcode and a tag. Next we need a class named account. And we need 4 attributes, account ID, the date when the account was opened, and an account state. Here we are going to add 3 operations: borrow, return and reserve. Now for more details, I'll create an enumeration for the account state. I'll add 3 attributes: active, frozen and dead. These are the status for the account. Next, add another class named library. add some attributes and operations. Next, create a class named user. Add two attributes, name and address. Then create another class named librarian. Add three attributes, name, address and position. Then create a class named catalog. Now we need them to interact, so I use interfaces. So we use two interfaces. First interface is search. Searching function will help the people quickly identify what they need, and a manage function for a librarian. And now we need to link them reasonably. Now because book item is a generalized class of book, I pick generalization. Now for author, this class associates directly to the book class, so I pick directed association. For account to book item, I use association line representing for some operations in the account. Because account state is enumeration, I pick dependency. Now both book item and account are entities, so they connect to library by aggregation. Next we'll have an association from book item to catalog. Then we'll have a composition relationship for catalog and library. As for user and librarian, they use interfaces to approach library, so dependency must be used. Now on the right hand side, you can in the Model Explorer panel, you can see the overall structure of the diagram.